Okay, Bacha Party, now let's understand about the step well. What do you mean by step well? It is like a well only, but with the steps. Okay, as you can see on the left picture, there is a step well given. Okay, I think it's a Ranki ki Vav. Okay, then this step well, this means in the well there are steps. As you can see here in the diagram, there are many steps are given from going down to going up. Okay, so here they have given according to the number of entrance there are four types of step wells. Okay, number of entrance, depending on number of entrance there are how many types of step well? Four types. If there is one entrance, then it is called Nanda. If there are two entrance, then it is called Bhadra. If three, Jaya, and four, Vijaya. Okay, you have to remember these names. Depending on number of entrance, the different names are given. So my question is that have you ever seen any step well in your village, in your city, or have you visited any step well? Look at the picture. Okay, so this is a step well. This kind of step well are there all around our country. You can imagine by looking at the picture that the step go down several story deep. Okay, yes, here as we have seen, I have discussed with you that step well consist of steps, and these steps are many story means it is very deep. As you can see here in the picture, step well is so much deep, isn't it? So instead of drawing the water up from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called step well. Are you clear with this, beta? Why it is called step well? There are steps given in a well to what? To draw water and go down using this step and reach the water, and again they can come up with the help of these steps. Is it clear, Bacha Party? Moving ahead, many years ago, people used to make long journey with their caravans of animals and goods. Okay, what do you mean by caravans, beta? Anyone? If you know the answer, you can pause the video and write down your answer in the comment box. You can pause it now. So, what is caravan? Caravan means a particular group of people. Okay, a particular group of people who are traveling from one place to another. They are known as caravans. Okay, if they make journey to some destination with the group of people and animal, then it is known as caravans. Okay, so at that time people felt it was good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus they built many beautiful step wells. Okay, why these step wells are still there? So this is the construction of people by many years ago. Okay, many years ago people have constructed this step well. Okay, now have you ever faced a shortage of water in your area? If yes, then what was the reason for it? So you have to think about this. Have you ever in your house felt shortage of water? That means कभी आपके घर में पानी ख़त्म हो गया था? If yes, अगर आपका आंसर हाँ है, सो आपके वहाँ पानी क्यों ख़त्म हुआ? What was the reason for it? So there may be a many reason that water has not come in our house, or we have used too much of water for particular event or particular festival. If we have played too many games using water, then also it is possible that we are running out of water? Okay, so there may be a many reason that we have faced shortage of water in our particular area. Sometime pipe got leaked, isn't it? Pipe फट जाता है, then also we get shortage of water. So there are many reasons you can write that you have faced in shortage of water. Now again, find out, talk to your grandparents. Okay, now this is a very interesting activity. You have to talk to your grandparents or any elder in your house. Okay, find out when they were of your age, मतलब जब वो आपकी उम्र के थे, from where did they get water for the house? Is there any change now? Okay, this is applicable mostly to grandparents. Okay, so why grandparents? Because they are old. At their time they don't have this kind of pumping motors and water pipelines. They used to travel 1 to 2 kilometer to take water from well or step wells or even lakes. Okay, so it goes like that. It may be the answer like that, that my grandparents are taking water from lakes that is 1 to 2 kilometer away from their house. Next, what kind of water arrangement were made for traveler? For example, water fountain, leather bags or any other. Now what do people do for water when they travel? Okay, in earlier time, okay bachcha buddy, listen carefully. In earlier time they have made water fountain, then they carry leather bag when they are traveling. Okay, and they need water while traveling. So where to store this water? In a leather bag, so they can drink at a time of thirst. Okay, whenever they are thirsty they can use this water. Some of them have created water fountain for travelers. Okay, in cities, okay, in cities and in villages also there are parabs. Okay, parab होती है ना पानी की. Okay, though nowadays we have installed water cooler all over the places, isn't it? So they are asking another question. Now what do people do for water when they travel? We carry a water bottle, isn't it? Or else we can purchase a water bottle from a shop whenever we go, isn't it? So in this way you can answer such kind of question. Now the next topics, custom related to water. Okay, as you know, our India is a country of custom and rituals. So there are many custom and rituals for water as well in every religion. Okay, let's discuss what are they. Even today people get water from very old lakes, dharas means rivers, step wells and rivulets means another kind of canal and etc. Many festivals and customs are related to water. As I said, there are many festival customs, rituals are related to water. At some places, whenever lakes gets filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. Oh wow! Okay, as you know, in rainy season, lakes gets filled. Okay, lakes पूरे भर जाते हैं. So what the people do? People gather around that particular lake and celebrate that the lake is fully filled up. See the bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. Okay, now here is a bride, Dulhan. In this particular picture, after getting married, she has come to the new village. Okay, now she has come to a new village after the marriage. She goes to the spring or the pond. Okay, there is a pond, as you can see in the picture, there is a pond, or we can say spring. Okay, what do you mean by spring? A nahar. Okay, jharna. Okay, in the rural culture of India, when the water from the first rain of monsoon showers into the river or lake, people celebrate it like a festival. Yes, today is also okay. In current scenario also there are many villages when the first rain of monsoon came, they celebrate. Okay, that is the beauty of our country. Okay, we celebrate so many things. Okay, have you know this? Do you have any idea like this that people are celebrating when the first rain came? Yes, there are many people who celebrate as a festival when first rain of monsoon shower. Okay, so remember such kind of rituals. You can tell your friends, you can tell your elder ones, you can tell your younger ones, your brother and sister, that this kind of festival are happening in our India. Okay, people celebrate it like festival to welcome and worship. Worship means दे आर वो लोग उनकी पूजा करते हैं. किसकी? रेन की. In cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worship the water tap in her home. Okay, so in villages they are performing this kind of worship to a spring or pond, and in cities the brides are worshipping the water tap at her home. Okay, now they are asking, can we even imagine life without a water? Now just pause the video and think of it. Think of this question. What if there is no water for 7 days? How many difficulties we face? Isn't it? First and important thing, we cannot bath every day. It's important. Then water is used in cooking also. So many of food cannot cooked without a water. Isn't it? And many more uses that we have discussed in our important topics video. Isn't it? So we cannot imagine our life without a water. Okay, so moving ahead, in many villages of Gujarat, when the lake is overflow with water, people celebrate. Okay, we have already discussed, in Gujarat, there are people that celebrate. When they celebrate, when the lake gets overflow. Holiday is held in the village or town on the day the lake is filled. Meghladu are also distributed. Okay, wow. I want to go to this village to eat this laddu. Isn't it? So the villagers are celebrating the fulfillment of lake by distributing the Meghladu. Okay? Is it clear? With this bacha party, we have completed part 1b of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.